Hello guys, this is Shanti Sisat from Information Technology Department of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Guys, in this session we learn about the practical regarding pointer to object. We already learned two programs regarding pointer to object in practical number 14 part 1 and in part 2. Now here use the same concept pointer to object, but one change is that in both the programs we perform pointer to single object, pointer to single or one object. Now here a third program which is related to pointer to array of object, pointer to array of object. So let's start with this new concept, that is pointer to array of object. Guys, listen the question properly. Write a C++ program to declare a class birthday, okay, having data members day, month, okay, day, month and year. Accept this information for 5 objects using pointer to array of object, pointer to array of object. Integer, if you want to take in day, that is okay, integer day, okay, then month and year. Here I perform the input operation. Normally input operation हमने यहाँ पे perform किया है, and I just take the input for day, month and year, and then I displayed here the day, month and year. Okay guys, important part of this program is void main section. Okay, void main section. In first two programs in practical number 14 we just take a single object, okay, and then our pointer points to that single object. But now here we perform the operation, or our pointer points to the array of object. Actually in question I specified that create the object of array of 5 object. okay, 5 ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए हम लोग को बर्थडे जो है उनका डिस्प्ले करना है. बट नाउ here I take only 2 objects, okay, 2 objects, which, and this pointer I also created a pointer of that birthday class, pointer of type birthday class, and here I created array of object of type birthday. Means our pointer points to the, not points to the single object, points to the 2 different objects, that is B which is available at 0th index and the object B which is available at first index. These are the 2 objects. array 0 के index पे एक present रहेगा and array 1 पे एक present रहेगा. okay, normally in array of pointer to object, if the object is single, then we normally stores the address of B, that is single object का directly address. We store directly the address of object into the pointer variable. But now here is the array of object, and in case of array of object it's very important to store the address of first object, and we know that the address of first object in case of array, address of first object is at which position? 0th position, that is 0th index, because array index, array address start from 0. So if you want to points your pointer, if your pointer points to the 0th index, means our pointer points to the first object. okay, and after that we incremented the pointer. Then here we need an array for loop because, and we created, I just created the object for, okay guys, and here take 3, so less than equal to 2 and less than equal to 2. okay, check here, for I is equal to 0, I less than equal to 2, I plus plus, then BO, that is BO is a pointer, points to the accept function. So guys, BO is a pointer which points to the accept function, which is for which object which is available at 0th index, because now our I is 0. So accept function is run for B0. Accept function will be executed for B0. And here, suppose if you want to take the input, then take the input, that is date, which is declared in integer, then month in character, and year in integer. Okay, after that check here, I incremented the pointer by 1. Increment the pointer by 1. So pointer, next time our pointer points to the 1. Our pointer points to the B1 index, right? I also become 1. I also become 1, and that is pointer now points to the accept function for which object? B1 object. For which object? B1 object. And here we perform the input operation. Then BO incremented by 1, and now our BO points to the index, that is B2. Points to the B2. Then I incremented by 1, and now I become 2. 2 less than equal to 2, yes. Then now accept function executed for third object, that is B2. B0 is the first, B1 is the second, and B2 is the third. Okay. This is the accept function executed for third object. Then BO incremented by 1, and now BO pointer points to which index? Third index. Points to the third index. Points to the third index, and now we entered into the for loop again. Now here the value of I become 3. Here value of I become 3. 3 less than equal to 2. This become wrong. Condition become wrong. So we exit from the for loop, and now check here. Now I want to display all the input data which is already taken for 0th object, first object, and second object. But our pointer now points to which object? B3 object. So we need to take it again at which index? 0th index. So I again holds the address of B0 into the BO ऑब्जेक्ट. क्यों किया मैंने ये? बिकॉज जैसे जैसे हम इंक्रीमेंट करते जा रहे हैं, हमारा पॉइंटर जो है नेक्स्ट एड्रेस पे पॉइंट कर रहा है, और आफ्टर इंक्रीमेंटेशन वो कहाँ पे पॉइंट कर रहा है? B3 पे पॉइंट कर रहा है. ओके, तो वहाँ पे कुछ भी वैल्यू नहीं है, हम लोग को B0, B1 एंड B2 को पॉइंट करके उनके वैल्यूज डिस्प्ले करने हैं. इसीलिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? उसको 0th इंडेक्स पे लाएंगे. ओके, एंड देन हम क्या करेंगे? सेम ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करेंगे. देखो यहाँ पे I इक्वल टू 0, I लेस देन इक्वल टू 2, लेस देन इक्वल टू 2, एंड I प्लस प्लस. देन हम क्या करेंगे? सेम डिस्प्ले फंक्शन ऑपरेट करेंगे. तो अगर वो पहले एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे, चेक हियर बी डिस्प्ले फंक्शन. इन दिस केस फर्स्ट आवर डिस्प्ले फंक्शन विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड फॉर विच ऑब्जेक्ट? 0th object, B0 object, then for first, and then for second. And after that I incremented and I become 3, the for loop become wrong, and we execute our getCH function. Okay, now check the output of this program. Okay, function F7, execution start from main. Then check here guys, BO is equal to address of B0. Okay, means accept function, yes, accept function day, that is 23, then F7 month, Feb, then year, enter, then again F7. ओके, चेक हियर BO ऑब्जेक्ट पॉइंटर इंक्रीमेंट हो गया, एक्सेप्ट फंक्शन कॉल हो गया, देन हम एक्सेप्ट फंक्शन में आ गए. ओके, डे ले रहे हैं हम 15, देन F7 मंथ जन, F7 ईयर 1991, एंटर, F7 अगेन इंक्रीमेंट हो गया, देखो पॉइंट कर रहा है एक्सेप्ट को, enter day, that is 27, enter, F7 month January, then again F7 year 88, enter, देखो B0 इंक्रीमेंट हो गया, बट हम बाहर आ गए बिकॉज फॉर लूप 3 बार ही रन होगा 0 से लेके 2 तक. अगेन हम नाउ हियर आवर पॉइंटर पॉइंट्स टू दी फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट दैट इज B0 एंड देन डिस्प्ले फंक्शन एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा है यहाँ पे. ओके, ईयर मंथ जो है वो सबके लिए क्या होगा, B0, B1 एंड B2 के लिए रन होगा. ओके, 3 times. फोर्थ टाइम बाहर आएंगे हम लोग बिकॉज फॉर लूप का एग्जीक्यूशन कंप्लीट हो गया. चेक हियर गाइस, एक्चुअली वो आउटपुट आपको देखो, डे 23rd पहले लिया था, देन 23rd Feb 1988, देन सेकेंड 15 Jan 1991 एंड थर्ड 27th Jan 1988. ओके गाइस, अभी आप लोग का डाउट रहेगा, सपोज मैंने क्या किया, ये नहीं किया तो हम लोगों को आउटपुट जो है वो शो ही नहीं होने वाला है. जस्ट चेक करते हैं हम लोग. मैं डायरेक्टली F7 नहीं, कंट्रोल F9 से दिखा रही हूँ. एंटर डे 23, एंटर मंथ फेब एंड एंटर ईयर 1988, एंटर डे 27th Jan 1988 एंड एंटर डे 15th Jan 1991. देखो यहाँ पे आप लोगों को गार्बेज वैल्यूज मिल रहे हैं, राइट गाइस. एक भी आंसर जो है हम लोगों को राइट नहीं मिल रहा है. व्हाई? बिकॉज अवर पॉइंटर नॉट पॉइंट्स टू दिस 3 लोकेशन दैट इज B0, B1 एंड B2. व्हाई? बिकॉज मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया था, जो B0 को पॉइंट कर रहा है, ये B0 को जो पॉइंट कर रहा है, इसको मैंने क्या डाला था, कमेंट डाला था. यहाँ पे मैंने कमेंट डाला था, जो मैंने सेव नहीं किया इसलिए आपको यहाँ पे दिखा नहीं, बट मैंने यहाँ पे कमेंट डाला था. तो कमेंट डालने की वजह से, बिकॉज ऑफ कमेंट दिस कोड नॉट एग्जीक्यूटेड. सो क्या हुआ, अवर पॉइंटर हियर आफ्टर 3 times अवर पॉइंटर पॉइंट्स टू द विच लोकेशन, B3 पॉइंट्स कर रहा है. तो वहाँ पे हम लोग की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, राइट, बिकॉज अवर वैल्यूज और इनपुट वैल्यूज आर प्रेजेंट एट B0 object location, B1 object location and B2 object location. And here we, after incrementation, okay, how many times, 3 times, it points to the B3. So you must need, after input operation, we need that we must hold the address of zeroth object into the pointer. Okay, recording. Okay guys, this is the last program in practical number 3. If you have any doubt regarding this program, I will solve your doubt in live session. Thank you.